Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find the Capital One account number and routing number. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Capital One on your browser by simply typing on capital.com and simply get signed in by adding in your username right over here and your password respectfully and tap on sign in. As soon as you have done that, this is how the interface is gonna pop up, including your checking account showing up over here, your money and etc. Now for you to see your routing and account number, you're gonna go to this option of view account over here, your checking account. Then as soon as you have done that, this is another interface gonna pop up. You can see your checking account, your available balance, and here you will see this view details given at the bottom of the account, right? Simply go ahead, tap on it. And now once you've done that, it will show you all the details, which will include account info, your account number that we need, your routing number over here that we will require, that you wanted to know of, including account holder, debit card number, everything will be shown over here. And this is how you will be able to check out your particular account details. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.